up. Nice.
Well, maybe. Actually.
Come on.
Yellow belly. Like a bat. Yellow belly. Ah, bat. Oh, yellow belly. Dirty bastard.
You are the yellow king. Oh, what the fuck was that? He's a nice yellow though. Well, let me get my You're right. He's a good yellow. Not a long handled one.
He doesn't want to go any net. Fuck, he's heavy. Fuck it.
Show me. He's a donkey.
It's a good yellow.
He's a good yellow.
He's just going to go straight away. He's got a lot of energy. Oh, look at him. The slime.
Just pick him up again for a sec. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Oh, yeah, thanks, mate. Oi!
That was a bass.
Fuck, he had a full go at that, didn't he?
Didn't he? Yeah, he got it.
Good one, too.
It's not too bad. I don't think it's huge, but...
Netter? He's alright, that's netter.
Yeah, he's not bad. Oh, cranky. He wanted that, didn't he? Look, he's flailed at it. Look, it's on the side of his gob.
Oh, he wants to go out.
Nice.
Another 40.
Yeah,
Well done, Marky.
that was out of the blue, actually. I wasn't really... I know I was surface fishing and stuff, but I was thinking, oh, it's too deep in here. It's this, it's that.
He had another go at those.
He did. He came back. He missed it the first time.
Well, I don't think he felt shit the first time. He was fucking... Good back.
He's not bad.
No. Another good one.
Another nice. Bit under 40 though, this one. 38 or something. Nice fish though. He was cranky. Cool. Nice. Okay, won't worry about a photo. Nice. You're in deep water now, mate. 30 foot deep down there. Yep, in the trees. Oh, nice. Alright, little fella. What's he got on him? What are you? Oh, he's got some hanging out of his bum. Something like that. It's a bit unsavoury, mate. What's going on with that? that one was. Well, it's still only 2 metres out here, so it's 3 now, but be gone. Be gone, be gone, be gone. Oh. Really? He's only a little tacker, mate. Come on, buddy. No, he's getting a bit bigger. Oh, he's not too bad. Yeah, I'll get him. It's all good. We'll keep fishing. Oh, he's a bit bigger over there. Oh, sorry, mate. Oh. Oh. Really? Come on, buddy. I'll let you go again. Yeah, you go up the front, mate. Do what you want to do. Yep, that's right. And then now the net gets caught in there. Fantastic. Facing backwards there. Nice fish. You're up. Yeah? Nice. Oh, that's what I thought this one was. That's what I mean. It might be about this size. I'm not just going to grab this camera from behind. Net's just there, mate. Hang on. What do you want me to net him? Well, I might keep mine. We might get a couple of photos, eh? Just give mine a bit of a swim for a sec. Oh, actually, I'll let mine go. Can you just take a quick photo of mine and I can let mine go and then I'll... You want me to get up there and swap it around?
No, that's fine.
Okay. Come on. Yeah, I'll just then we can do you. Yeah.
Crab claw.
Really? Yabby claw.
Yeah, big yabby claw.
That's
Yeah,
right.
I'll spit that up, mate.
Jason's. Nice. I'll let mine go. Yeah. Don't worry about a photo. Put her in though, we'll get a double.
Yeah.
There's 2 bass, eh? Look at that. From Prusner Bay.
Both 40s. Plus it.
Easy.
Ready?
Yeah. Nice. Nice.
Not good.
Wow. Ooh.
It's a bit bigger than you think.
Nice. He's just one. He's just one of those ones full of energy. Oh, he's not bad.
Still another good fish.
He's not bad. Well, I don't think that was the same one that hit it just there,
No, probably not.
because that was out where you are now.
Yeah, swap you.
Okay.
Seems to be right.
Yeah. Settle down. Settle down. Same old though, aren't they? 420s. Where are the big ones? Come on, buddy. Oh, there's a choppy. I was going to say there's a choppy. Just there. Oh, fucking weed. There was the choppy. It needs bass chopping everywhere. Just one will do. Here, mate, you go up the front. Oh, he's not bad. He's not pretty good.
Not good.
He's pretty good. He's all right. Oh, I'll do it. You keep fishing, mate. No, oh, uh-oh.
Oh, he's got ya.
He has got me. I can see where he's got me too. Oh, over we go. I was being a bit relaxed just there. He has got me. You bugger. Let it go. So, oh, that's got him. That's got him. A little bit of relax. Yeah. Oh no, as usual, just standard 400 type bloody fish.
He's one of the bigger ones.
Man, they're a nice colour. Look at that colour on that fish. That's just amazing. That's beautiful. How healthy. That's the first. Fuck. Oh, we might go then. We'll go around and have a look. Go to that other bay and won't take long before you see whether it's going any good or not. I just want to sit out anyway. Killing me. Oh, fucking hell.
So that's the good thing about mine. Mine's got that, like, pulling itself back up.
Yeah. And I like the ones, I think Jenko had one where it just had the handle, you grabbed like a mower lead and you just pull it up, and
All the big.
that one's always been a pain in the ass. Fuck. Hey?